Hello everyone! The redesigned Korean-spec model likely previews the 2025 Kia K5 for the global markets, including North America. Kia revealed the facelifted version of the K5 midsize sedan in Korea, bringing a number of visual and technological updates exactly 5 years after its debut. The current generation of the K5, Optima replacement, was praised for its styling when it launched back in 2019, which is probably why Kia designers didn't opt for radical changes on the exterior. Instead, they tweaked the headlights and taillights, giving them more modern LED graphics that expand on the redesigned front and rear bumpers. The intakes at the front look similar to the Kia EV6 GT line, and the ducktail spoiler at the back is more prominent. Finally, there are new options for the alloy wheels and 2 new exterior shades, Wolf Gray and Moonscape Matte Gray. Inside, the facelifted Kia K5 features a sleeker panoramic curved display, integrating dual 12.3-inch screens and getting rid of the physical buttons. The new infotainment is compatible with over-the-air updates, remote control features from the user's smartphone, a fingerprint authentication system, and music streaming services, which can be enjoyed in the optional 12-speaker premium sound system by Krell. Below, we find the revised controls for the AC, a wireless charging pad, and a much smaller selector for the automatic gearbox. Finally, the interior upholstery can be personalized with 3 new color options, including sand, Martian brown, and black. Those who prefer a darker look for their Kia K5 can opt for the Black Fit optional package, which adds a set of black 18-inch or 19-inch wheels, a black suede headliner, plus a dark finish for the mirror caps, rear diffuser, and tailpipes. Mechanical changes are limited to a revised suspension setup for improved ride comfort, which is combined with better sound insulation. Powertrain options of the Korean-spec model include a naturally aspirated 2-liter MPI with 158 horsepower, 118 kilowatts, 160 PS, a turbocharged 1.6-liter TGDI with 178 horsepower, 132 kilowatts, 180 PS, a 2-liter LPI with 144 GP, 107 kilowatts, 146 PS, and the more efficient hybrid producing a combined 192 horsepower, 143 kilowatts, 195 PS. The Kia K5 is available for pre-orders in Korea. Its price is ranging between $127,884, $39.54 million, $20,503, $29,117, depending on the powertrain and the trim. The US spec 2024 Kia K5 was unveiled a few months ago based on the pre-facelifted model, meaning that the updates will likely be applied to the North American version for the 2025 model year. Friends, I would like to hear your opinion about new 2025 Kia K5 facelift, and I'll be waiting for it in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel not to miss the latest news from the world of automobiles. See you soon. Goodbye, everyone.